Hey guys, only because it's on my mind. So I want to do a quick video on molding your client first prior to doing a vacuum therapy service. So by vacuum therapy service, I'm meaning the vacuum therapy cups or the butt top enhancement for your client. So prior to you servicing the client or actually placing the cups on there, it's always good to mold the clients first to kind of shape that area. So if you're doing the butt area, if you're doing the hips, the hip dips, it's always good to mold the client first. All right, so if you're using your S-shaped machine, then obviously you're going to use your suction that's on the S-shaped machine. If you're using your 6-in-1 device, same thing. You're putting in that vacuum mode. You're doing the same thing. You can use this to mold. And of course, if you're using your molding cup that comes with your vacuum, you're doing the same thing. The only thing that's different is you have to kind of pull and maneuver and kind of press this little button here so that you can maneuver it up. I personally, these are my fave, opposed to using my molding tool. If people love doing this, salute you. It's just not for me. I prefer using my suction devices that's on my 6-in-1 and or my S-shape. I can adjust it. It's easy for me to mobilize that fat and put in the area that my client wants. If my client wants volume or if they want to lift, I can use either one of these. So yeah, just want to talk to you guys a little bit about that and making sure why it's important to mold before you place your suction cup before butt therapy service.